Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to enable dark mode on Meta.ai app. So first of all, launch open Meta.ai application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Meta.ai application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now in this interface at top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find gear icon. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several options like notifications, app appearance, help and support, data and privacy, etc. In order to enable the dark mode, tap on the second option, app appearance. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find three options over here: automatic, light, dark. If your device itself is in dark mode, you can simply select the option automatic. If you select this option and enable the dark mode on your device, you can see over here the dark mode will be enabled. So like this, you'll be able to enable the dark mode. Also, if you tap on the option dark, you can see over here dark mode will be enabled. So that is how you enable dark mode on Meta.ai app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.